Seaweed cream is the magic ingredient to increasing yields while protecting against frost and drought. The supplies you'll need are a spray bottle, BioFlora seaweed cream, and a tablespoon. Step 1. Mix 1 to 2 ounces, approximately 2 to 4 tablespoons of seaweed cream per 1 gallon of water. Spray until leaves are wet. Apply every 2 to 3 weeks in the early morning or early evening. For best results, we recommend using a hose end sprayer for better coverage. Supplies you'll need for vegetable and flower gardens: a watering can and BioFlora seaweed cream. Mix 1 to 2 ounces or 2 to 4 tablespoons of seaweed cream per 1 gallon of water. Apply every 2 to 3 weeks directly onto the soil. Be sure to pour evenly across your garden for best results.